Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laser dry fire training systems available on the market for their true quality. These systems are designed to help you sharpen your shooting skills without the need for live ammunition. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Vstranx 9mm laser training cartridge dry fire training system. This product is ideal for those looking for a simple yet effective dry fire training solution. Its standout feature is the Class 3A laser with a wavelength of 650 nanometers, offering a high brightness beam visible from 15 to 100 yards, making it suitable for close range and medium range accuracy training. The cartridge is crafted with H59 brass and a gold plating process for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. The design of the Vstranx cartridge is noteworthy for its tapered head, which improves compatibility across various devices and reduces the risk of jamming, a common issue with flat-headed cartridges. Additionally, the package includes 9 batteries, offering impressive longevity for extended practice sessions, along with spare O-rings and an extra back cover for convenience. While it doesn't include a target, like some other systems on this list, its portability and focus on precision make it a great option for shooters looking for a straightforward training tool. On the downside, this product is best suited for users who already have a laser-compatible target or app to complete their setup. And with only 7 customer reviews so far, its track record is less established than competitors. However, if you're looking for a durable and easy-to-use cartridge to integrate into your existing training system, the Vstranx 9mm laser training cartridge is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Gopsold 9mm laser training cartridge with chamber extractor tool and laser trainer target. This product stands out due to its inclusion of a portable laser target, making it a complete training kit for beginners and seasoned shooters alike. The Class 3A laser boasts a power output of less than 5 milliwatts and a wavelength of 635 to 670 nanometers, providing a bright, accurate beam for effective dry fire practice. One of its key advantages is the rechargeable laser target, which features an adjustable environment lightness dial to optimize performance in various lighting conditions. This thoughtful design ensures accurate and responsive feedback in indoor settings. The kit also includes a chamber extractor tool, PVC shelter films, and rubber plugs, adding versatility to your training. However, the product's compatibility with apps and training systems is a highlight, making it easy to integrate into digital platforms for interactive sessions. On the downside, the Gopsold system has received mixed reviews from users, with a customer rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. Some reviewers noted occasional issues with reliability and performance consistency. If you're looking for a complete training kit that's easy to set up and customize, the Gopsold system is worth considering, especially for those who value portability and app compatibility. At number 3, we have the Mantis Laser Academy Portable Training Kit. This is one of the most innovative dry fire training systems on the market, offering the unique blend of physical targets and app-based drills for an engaging experience. The kit includes a pink Rhino 9mm laser cartridge, smart targets, a mini tripod, a smartphone holder, and even adhesive putty to set up your training area, all packed in a convenient carrying case. What truly sets the Mantis Laser Academy apart is its free app, which provides guided drills, automatic scoring, and progress tracking. Whether you're a beginner working on the basics or an experienced shooter looking to refine your skills, the app adds a layer of data-driven training that's hard to beat. The laser cartridge itself emits a Class 3A beam with less than 5 milliwatt output, ensuring safety and precision during practice. While this system is excellent for interactive training, it's worth noting that it requires a smartphone or tablet to fully utilize its features, which may not appeal to those who prefer a simpler setup. Additionally, at 4.0 out of 5 stars, its customer ratings indicate room for improvement in terms of app stability and overall ease of use. Still, if you're looking for a fun and highly customizable training experience, the Mantis Laser Academy Portable Training Kit is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 2 is the Anie Laser Training Cartridge and Target Kit. This product excels in versatility, working seamlessly with most laser cartridges on the market. Its dual-mode feedback system offers both sound and flash or silent operation, catering to various training environments. The built-in rechargeable battery and Type-C charging port add convenience, ensuring you never have to worry about replacing batteries. The Anie Target system includes 5 difficulty grades, allowing users to choose from bullseye sizes ranging from 60mm to 15mm. This flexibility makes it ideal for users looking to progressively challenge themselves and improve their precision. Additionally, the laser target is designed for multiple installation options, including desktop placement, wall mounting, or magnetic attachment to steel surfaces. While the Anie system offers excellent value for its features, it does have specific requirements for ambient light, which may limit its usability in certain environments. With a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, it's clear that most users are satisfied with its performance. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable dry-fire training system, Anie is a strong contender. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ark Site dry-fire training cartridge and laser target system. This product is the ultimate all-in-one solution for dry-fire training, offering a combination of portability, precision, and versatile installation options. The laser target features adjustable light settings and multiple difficulty grades, ranging from bullseye sizes of 60mm to 15mm, allowing users to tailor their training to their skill level. One of the standout features is the built-in rechargeable battery with a Type-C charging port, saving you the hassle and cost of replacing batteries. The laser cartridge emits a Class 3A beam with a wavelength of 630 to 680 nanometers, providing accurate feedback for each shot. The system is compatible with most training cartridges on the market, making it a flexible option for users who already own other laser equipment. With a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars and ranking high in sports and outdoors categories on Amazon, the Ark Site system has a proven track record of reliability and performance. Its ability to be used anywhere, whether mounted on a wall, placed on a tabletop, or attached to a steel surface, makes it a top choice for shooters looking to save money on ammo while honing their skills. If you're serious about dry-fire training, the Ark Site system is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding on the best laser dry-fire training system for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products or need further assistance, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy shooting!